Hi everyone, in today's tutorial we're going to be taking a look at one of the new features in the latest Cricut update, and that is contained under the new project option at the top. So if we click on new project now, we can see we're now given 4 options of what we would like to do. So let's take a look at each one of the new features. So the first one is Vinyl Decal. So if we click on there, we can now see it's brought up a Vinyl Decal layout guide. This is really useful if you are wanting to make stickers or designs that are square. Down here along the side we can see it's given lots of project options that you can select and place those inside of your vinyl layout. If you want to use some of the images on the side, some of them are going to be free if you have Cricut access, but if you don't, then you can go to the 2 lines at the top and you can select the free images, and that will give you all the images that are free for you to use. So therefore you could just, if you wanted to make stickers, you can then select one of the free projects and pop that within the vinyl decal layout. You can also change the size of the vinyl layout as well, and if you wanted to make it into a rectangle, then you can just change the dimensions to whatever size you want your vinyl decal to be. If you wanted to do a different shape of vinyl decal, unfortunately this one is only going to be a square or a rectangle, so to do any other shape you would literally have to go into shapes. If you wanted to select a circle, then you can change the colour and you can go down to basic cut and select guide, and that will give you a different shape guide. That's another way of getting layout guides for projects. I think this one could be really useful if you are wanting to make varying different vinyl decals in different shapes and sizes. Then I do feel that this one could be quite useful. The next option is iron on t-shirts. So if we select that option, we can see now it brings us up 2 different t-shirts, and Cricut are saying that those are adult medium size. This is a little bit of a pain sometimes because it brings up the images at the side, so you do have to click it away if you're not going to use it. I don't tend to use t-shirt templates very much myself. If I was going to make a design for a t-shirt, then I would use the measurements from the t-shirt that I have in front of me, and I would make my design to be the required size to go on the front of the t-shirt. But these could be really useful if you are looking to design t-shirts. You've obviously got the design here that covers the front of the t-shirt, and you've got one here that just goes across the chest part. The next new option is for gift tags. I think these are really great, and I love to use these templates if I was making gift tags, especially for birthdays or Christmas. I think it's a really nice size, and you can go down the images along the side and it's giving us all the free images still, and if there's any designs on there that you might want to pop on your gift tags, like that's like pretty cute, so you could pop that on the bottom of your gift tag, and then you could add text on the top. Obviously if you are a Cricut Access user, there's lots of different gift tag options for you to choose from in all different shapes and sizes with different cutouts, so I think that's really great if you are wanting to use the gift tags. And also if you go over onto the sidebar into projects, and here we can see there's lots of projects already within Cricut that you can purchase and use the designs to cut out with your machine to make all different types of gift tags, and I think that's a really great idea if you're looking for something a little bit different than just the plain gift tag. And the final option is blank canvas, and here we can see now it's brought us up a blank canvas, and again we've got the images down the side. This is a little bit of a pain that you have to click it off every single time if you don't want it, but it's also a great idea if you are looking for different images for your designs. If you don't want it, simply click the little arrow, it makes your canvas the whole size, and then you are ready to start designing your projects. What do you think to the new feature in Cricut Design Space? Please leave me a comment down below if this is going to be useful to you. I'm definitely going to skip straight to the blank canvas most of the time, but the gift tags and the vinyl decal template are the other 2 that I will find really useful. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.